Hello student, my name is Rohit Kumar. I am social science teacher from Maples Academy Devan. Student, today we are discussing about the chapter number 2, state government, the legislature in civics. Now our country is a union of states. We have government at the national level and also act at the state level, and India is a union of the states. For every state have its own government, and the state government are responsible for making laws for the people of their state, and they also have the power to launch scheme and programs and program for the welfare of the people in their state. Beside this, they have been entrusted with the task of administrating their state, ensuring basic amenities to the people, say such. And the government at each level works through a three main organs: branches, legislature, which makes the law, and executive, which gives the effect to the law, and judiciary, which interprets the law. And in India, there is one united judiciary for the whole country, but a separate legislative executive branches at the central level and the state level. Now, this is the picture of the Vidhan Sabha at Bangalore, Karnataka. Vidhan Sabha meeting are held here. And every Indian state had its own legislature. A state legislature usually consists of governor of the states, of the house, legislature called the Vidhan Sabha, legislative assembly, and some states have two houses legislature. The upper house is called the Vidhan Sabha Parishad, Vidhan Parishad, legislative council, and another is Vidhan Sabha is the lower house. The legislature is said to be unicameral if there is only one house, and bicameral if it has two houses. Now the Vidhan Sabha, the legislative assembly, is directly elected by the people of the state, and the member of the assembly are elected for a term of 5 years. For the purpose of election, the state has divided into the small area are known as constituencies, and each constituent is elected one member of the legislative assembly or MLA, and one group of these elected MLAs ultimately form the government of the state. Now there is a composition of the Vidhan Parishad. The legislature of the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh are bicameral, and our other state legislature are unicameral. Now the Vidhan Sabha State Legislative Assembly is also called the lower house. It is the lower house of the state, all known as the Legislative Assembly, and elected members are elected for the term of the 5 years. And functions: it makes the law of the state subject, approves the state budget, and exercises control over the state executive. Vidhan Sabha plays a vital role in the governance and administrative of the state. Now, the Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council does not exist in the most of our state, and the Vidhan Sabha of any state may decide to set up the Vidhan Parishad to remove it, and the decision is made known to the parliament, and the parliament passes the law needed to give effect to the decision. And the composition of the Vidhan Parishad cannot be more than the 1/3 of the number of the members, unlike the MLAs or MLCs are not elected directly by the people. They are indirectly as follows: the 1/3 of them are elected by the MLA of the state, and 1/3 of the elected of the members of the local government bodies such as municipalities and district bodies, and 1/12 are elected by the universities graduates living in the state. 1/12 are elected by the teachers of the secondary school, colleges, and universities. The remaining 1/6 are nominated by the governors of the state from among distinguished artists, authors, social workers, etc. And the function of the legislature: lawmaking, creating the law on the state subjects, budget approval, oversight, exercise control over the states, and in interest of the people, and accountability, holding the state government accountable for its actions, policy making, shaping the state policy and programs. The state legislature plays a crucial role in the governance and administrating of the state. Now, thank you. This is all about the